discuss assignment of on PN photodiode and avalanche photodiode. Optical detectors. As we know that it is essential component of an OFC system and is one of the crucial element which dictates the overall system performance. Function is to convert the received optical signal into an electrical signal which is then amplified before further processing. Requirement for performance and compatibility. High sensitivity at the operating wavelength. The first generation system have wavelength between 0.8 and 0.9 micrometer. However, consider advantage may be gained at the detector from second generation source with operating wavelength above 1.1 micrometer, as both fiber attenuation and dispersion are reduced. High fidelity. To reproduce the received signal waveform with fidelity for analog transmission, the response of the photodetector must be linear with regard to the optical signal over a wide range. Large electrical response to the received optical signals. The photodetector should be produce a maximum electrical signals for a given amount of optical power. Short response time. To obtain a suitable bandwidth, present system extend into the hundred of megahertz. A minimum noise introduced by the detector, dark current, leakage current, and short conductance must be low. Stability of performance characteristics. Ideally, the performance characteristics of the detectors should be independent of the changes in ambient condition. However, the detector currently have a characteristics which vary with the temperature, and therefore the compensation for temperature effect is often necessary. Small size. The physical size of the detector must be small for efficient coupling to the fiber and to allow easy packaging with the following electrons. Low bias voltage. Ideally, the detector should not require excessive bias voltage or current. High reliability. The detector must be capable of continuous stable operation at room temperature for many years. Low cost. Economic considerations are often of prime importance in any large scale of communication system applications. Optical detector principles. Operation of photodiodes, photo generation of electron hole pair in an intrinsic semiconductor, reverse bias p-n junction with carrier drift in depletion region, emergency Venn diagram showing photo generation and separation of electron hole pair. A photon incident is or near depletion region of the device which has an energy greater than or equal to the band gap energy of the fabricating material with excite and electrons from the valence band into the conduction band. The process leaves an empty hole in the valence band and is known as photogeneration of an electron hole pair. Carrier pair so generated near the junction are separated and drift the influence the insufficient electric field to produce a displacement by the current in the external circuit in excess of the any reverse leakage current. Photogeneration and separation of carrier pair in the depletion region of this reverse bias as shown figure. The depletion region must be sufficient thick to allow a large fraction of the incident light to absorb in order to achieve maximum carrier pair generation. However, since long carrier drift time in the depletion region restrict the speed of operation of the photodiode, it is necessary to limit its width. Thus, there is a trade-off between the number of photons absorbed at the speed of response. Current photodetector. Since at present the primary operating wavelength region in OFC remain 850 nanometer, 1300 nanometer, and 1550 nanometer. Therefore, the major devices type are used. PIN diode without internal gain, avalanche photodiode, APD internal gain. PIN photodiode without internal gain is shown in this figure. The PIN photodiode circuitry diagram is shown in this figure. This is an energy band diagram. A photon incident or in depletion region of this device which has an energy greater than or equal to the band gap energy of the fabricating material will excite an electrons from the valence band into the conduction band. This process leaves an empty hole in the air. Valence band is known as the photogenerations of an electron hole pair. Carrier pairs so generated near the junction are separated and they drift under the influence of electric field to produce a displacement by the current in the external circuit in excess of any reverse leakage current. Photogeneration and separation carrier pair in the depletion region of the reverse bias as shown in figure. The depletion region must be sufficient thick to allow a large fraction of incident light to absorb in order to achieve maximum carrier pair generation. However, since a long carrier drift time in the depressions, region restricted the speed of operation of the photodiode. It is necessary to limit width. There is trade-off between the number of photons absorbed, sensitivity, and the speed of response. The response time of pin photodiode together with its output depend mainly on the following three factors: the time of the photocarrier in the depletion region, the diffusion time of the photocarrier generated outside the depletion region, the time constant of the pin photodiode and associated circuit, various pulse response, long wavelength cutoff. It is essential when considering the intrinsic absorption process that the energy of incident photon be generated and equal to the band gap energy Eg of the material used to fabricate the photodetector. Therefore, wavelength cutoff lambda is equal to Hc upon Eg. Two important parameter: depletion region must be sufficient thick to allow a large fractions of the incident light to be absorbed, required to achieve maximum carrier pair generation. Longer carrier drift time is in the drift region restricted to the speed of operation of the photodiode. Necessary time limit the width of depletion is here. A trade-off between number of photon absorbed sensitivity and the speed of response. Quantum efficiency. The quantum efficiency given a number of electrons collected upon number of incident photons. A function photon wavelength must be quoted for a specific wavelength. Responsibility. The responsibility is given IP upon V naught. IP is the output photocurrent in the amperes, and P naught is the incident optical power in watts. The responsibility and quantum efficiency curve is shown in figure. Noise source in photodiode. The overall sensitivity of a photodiode result from the random current and the voltage fluctuations which occur at the device output terminal in both the presence and observe of incident optical power. One of the major factors is the noise that are within the photodiode which do not have internal gain mechanism. Various noise sources are short noise, thermal noise, and dark current noise. Two important parameters: depletion region must be sufficiently thick to allow a large fraction of incident and light to be absorbed, required to achieve maximum carrier pair generation. Longer carrier drift time in the drift region restricted the speed of operation of photodiode. And there is a trade-off between the photon's absorption sensitivity and the speed of response. Quantum efficiency given number of electron and number of incident photon. Dark current noise. Dark current noise arises due to the dark current flow in the circuit. Noise equivalent point. Various figure of merit have been employed to assess the noise performance of the detector. Noise equivalent power. A specific detector is the parameter which incorporates the area of photodiode in order to take account of the efficiency of this factor on the aptitude of the device of dark current. Avalanche photodiode. More sophisticated structure than heavy pin photodiode to create an equivalently high electric field regions. The high lumen devices appear to be among the highest performance gallium APD for longer wavelength operation and are only the ellipsed by the emerging third and fifth alloy APD. Third and fourth alloy APD developed to overcome the drawback offered by gallium APD for iron wavelength operation. Many limitations associated with the alloy APD. It is limited to large tunneling current associated with the narrow band gap required for longer wavelength operation. Problems substantially reduced using the separate absorption and multiplication required to gain efficiency. Second limitation associated with the SMAPD is concept the trapping of the holes in the valence band, discontinuity at the indium gallium arsenide heterojunctions. Advanced photodiode development target at the device with the improved sensitivity for operation a very high bandwidth together with the fabrication structure with improved function at low cost.